Hello, today I'm gonna make a very uh, today I'm gonna show you how to make a very introductory message on C++. And in order to download the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010, you have to go to your Google Chrome or any search engine and type Visual C++ 2010. Now if you enter the second option that you will see is Visual C++ 2010 Express. You will click on it and you will install. It's processing. um, you will install this C++ 2010 Express, and after installing, the installation will take hardly 10 minutes or so. And after installing, you will see something like this. Okay, and I will just open it again. So you will see something like this. And in order to register your products, you have to go help and you have to click register product. And as you can see that my product is already registered, but in order to register your product, you will click the option obtain the registration key online, and after clicking on that you have to enter your Hotmail ID and password, and then you will get your registration key. So you will just paste your registration key over here and you are ready to use the product. Now here's a thing, that if you don't register this product, then you can only use it for around 30 days. But if you register this product, you can use it for as long as you want. So after registration, I will just simply go to file, uh, and I will choose new, or let's just don't go to file and click new project from here. After new project, I will choose an empty project, and I will name my project as my project is simply comprising an introductory message to C++. So I will just write introductory message to C++. And after my project is open, now it's processing. So after my project is made, I will go to source file. I will click write, and I will go to add and add a new item. So you have to make sure that your new item is in C++ file format, otherwise your program won't work. So I will just name it P1. And now I will show you how to write the simplest code. This code is necessary for all programs, no matter how complex or how easy they are. So I will first just write a remark. This remark, I would like to include that anything after 2 backslash is not included in the program, the compiler won't recognize it and you cannot see it on the output screen. So I will just make a remark, introductory message to C++. Okay, now after this, what I'm gonna type is my code, and this code is necessary for almost all the programs out there, no matter how easy or how complex they are, which are written in C++ language. So the first thing I would include is hash include iostream using namespace std stands for standard, void main, open the bracket, close the bracket. This is my body, from opening the bracket to closing the bracket, and I will write system calls. Now I would like to come back to what I wrote. Include iostream. iostream is a program in itself which recognizes the input and output. If we don't include iostream, then our program, then the compiler of our program, it won't recognize our input or the output we want on the black screen, and it's gonna be devastating. And using namespace std, it means that the language we're using, the standard language we're using is English, so the compiler would recognize what we're the words that we'll type in English. Void main is a function. Tell I would go to, you know, what is a function in the later videos. Now you have to just see it as it is, and after that I'm typing system pause. You know, these brackets, the opening and closing of the brackets, this is my body, and system pause I type is because I want the system to pause after displaying me the output. So my cout means my output that on the black screen on command prompt is just introduction to C++, \n. Okay, whatever you want in your this black screen, that is command prompt, you have to write it in commas so that it's a message. So as you can see, my message is in commas, and after that I have put a semicolon. That means that it is a statement. Whenever in C++ you have to write a statement, you have to put a semicolon at the end. For example, I've put a semicolon over here, I've put a semicolon over here after system pause. These are all statements, whereas include iostream is a function, and void main include iostream is a, you know, is a program in itself, and void main is a function. So this is a very brief and introductory message to C++, and if I just remove, I would like to debug it so I can see how it is, how we can see it on the command prompt. And after debugging, as you can see, the debugging is taking place over here. After debugging, what I can see is introduction to C++. Okay, as you can see, introduction to C++. Press any key to continue. So for instance, if I just remove this, and what you see that the remaining stuff is the basic code for writing any program in C++ language, no matter how simple or how complex it is. Now I can write any message I want, like cout, my name is Amara. And now when I debug it, you can see the message on the command prompt is my name is Amara. And you can write anything like that, and it will work. So that's a very basic program in C++. As I will make further tutorials, I will go into more complexity, and this is pretty much the basic code for C++. And a secret to learning the C++ language is that you need to practice a lot. So, you know, right now it would be very annoying for you to type all these symbols and everything, but with time you'll get used to it, and you will become an expert in C++. So this concludes my first video tutorial on C++, and thank you so much for watching.